The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, will have to stay in detention at the Department of State of Services, DSS, for a while, as the Supreme Court of Nigeria has ordered that he answers to the 7-count charge against him before Justice Binta Nyako at the Federal High Court, Abuja. Mr. Kanu was first arrested by security agencies in Lagos on October 14, 2015, and has been in detention since June 29, 2021. He was arraigned before the Federal High Court in Abuja on a 4-count charge bordering on treasonable felony, conspiracy to commit treasonable felony, terrorism, illegal importation of radio equipment, and defamation of former President Muhammadu Buhari. The charges were later amended to a 15-count charge on terrorism and membership of a proscribed group. In her ruling, the trial judge, Justice Binta Nyako, dismissed 8 out of the 15-count charges, saying that Mr. Kanu had questions to answer in the remaining 7 charges. Dissatisfied with the ruling, Mr. Kanu appealed to the Court of Appeal. The appellate court dismissed the remaining charges and ordered that Mr. Kanu be released. In a twist, the appellate court granted a stay of execution of its judgment after the federal government had told the court that they were appealing to the Supreme Court. In its judgment, the Supreme Court held that no legislation in the country stripped the trial court of the jurisdiction to go ahead with Kanu's case, despite the illegal action that the federal government took against him. The apex court also berated the trial court for revoking Kanu's bail after he escaped to save his life, following the invasion of his home by security agents.
We had hoped that it would come our way, but it has gone the other way. It simply means that we have to go back to the High Court and get done with this quickly. We still have hope. We're not in despair.
This is victory to our administration of criminal justice, because it shows that once you are an accused person, once you are a defendant, no matter what excuse you want to bring to hide under the law to say that you should not be tried, the Supreme Court have expressly, unequivocally stated clearly that we don't have the legislation that will vitiate the court from trying a defendant that has committed a crime. You must be tried for every offense you have committed.
With this development, the trial of Nnamdi Kanu at the Federal High Court, Abuja, will resume at a date that will be communicated to other parties involved. Emanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.